Hey, this is Clint with EDDM Autofill. I'm going to quickly show you how to use this extension. This is going to save you hours of work. Essentially what it does is it takes your EDDM slips and your form, and it'll automatically calculate all your routes and fill in all the data for you in the slips and on the retail form. So what took you hours before now only takes a few seconds, and the people at the post office are going to love you because it's always done correctly without errors. So I'll show you how this works. So once you place your order, go ahead and download the forms. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, and once you've got your form saved to your computer, click on the EDDM Autofill extension, and that will open up a dialog for the first time. This is just a little welcome tutorial. It just lets you know that none of the data is stored on our website. Everything is stored in your browser. So once we get past that, and the first thing we're going to create is a mailer profile. And the reason you might want multiple mailer profiles is because you might have multiple types of mailings. So one mailing might have a certain size card that weighs a certain amount. One mailing might be done by a different person. And so that's what this is. I'm going to go ahead and create a profile for myself now. Next time you open up the EDDM autofill, this is what you're going to see. You're not going to need to create a profile every time. If you wanted to create a new profile, you can click on the plus next to the profile dropdown. And if you wanted to choose a new profile, just select one from the dropdown. All we need to do is give our form a title. So maybe, for example, I've got two batches. I'll call this one Zone A, Batch 1. Okay, and the drop-off date, you want to make sure that it is the same as the drop-off date that you chose when you placed your order. And then I'll go ahead and upload the EDDM Retail Form. So I'm going to find that form. Okay, and then we're going to upload the facing slips. So I'm going to go ahead and find the facing slips. Okay, and then all we need to do is click on Process Forms, and that is it. You guys have filled out your forms, you were ready to go. So to view the forms, you can click here, and it'll take you to your forms. You can see that everything is filled out, the telephone, the name, number of bundles, everything is filled in for you, including all of your facing slips. So if you scroll down, you'll find every single one of your facing slips have been filled out correctly. And that's how it works.